Let's be real. Who isn't? We all want to see our money grow, but navigating the investment world can feel like trying to solve a complex math equation. That's where platforms like StashAway come in. But here's the burning question: how much interest can you actually expect to earn with StashAway? Unpacking StashAway's interest rates. Now, before we dive into the numbers, let's clarify something. StashAway isn't your typical savings account. It's an investment platform that uses a robo-advisor to build and manage diversified portfolios based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. This means the interest, or more accurately, the returns you earn, will fluctuate based on market performance. So, how does StashAway make money for you? Essentially, they invest your money in a mix of assets like stocks, bonds, and other securities. Over time, these investments can appreciate in value, leading to potential gains. But remember, past performance isn't indicative of future results. StashAway's different plans. StashAway offers various investment plans to cater to different investor profiles. You've got options like StashAway Simple, StashAway General Investing, and StashAway Goals. Each plan has its own fee structure and potential return profile. Comparison table of StashAway plans, highlighting key features and fees. Let's focus on StashAway Simple for now, as it's often considered a good starting point for beginners. It's designed for those who want a low-risk, liquid investment option. While it doesn't guarantee a specific interest rate, StashAway typically aims to provide a higher return than traditional savings accounts. Factors affecting StashAway returns. Several factors influence the returns you can expect from StashAway. Market performance. The overall performance of the stock and bond markets will significantly impact your returns. Your risk tolerance. The investment mix in your portfolio will depend on your risk profile. Higher risk portfolios generally have the potential for higher returns, but also come with greater volatility. Fees. StashAway charges management fees, which will impact your overall returns. Graphs or charts illustrating how market performance and risk tolerance can affect returns. It's essential to understand that investing always involves risk. There's no guarantee that you'll make money, and you could lose some or all of your initial investment. Diversification, as offered by StashAway, can help mitigate risk, but it's not a foolproof strategy. Is StashAway right for you? StashAway can be a great option for those looking for a hands-off approach to investing. It offers diversification, professional management, and a user-friendly platform. However, it might not be the best choice if you're an experienced investor who prefers to actively manage your portfolio. Ultimately, the best way to determine if StashAway is right for you is to carefully consider your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. It's also wise to do your own research and compare StashAway to other investment options. Additional tips. Here are a few extra tips to maximize your potential returns with StashAway. Start early. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Dollar cost averaging. Consider investing a fixed amount regularly, regardless of market conditions. Rebalance your portfolio. Regularly review your portfolio and make adjustments as needed to align with your goals and risk tolerance. Brief animated explanations of dollar cost averaging and portfolio rebalancing. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Don't get caught up in short-term fluctuations. Stay focused on your financial goals and maintain a disciplined investment strategy. So, how much interest can you expect from StashAway? The answer depends on various factors, including market performance, your chosen investment plan, and your risk tolerance. While there's no guaranteed return, StashAway offers a potentially attractive option for those seeking to grow their wealth over time. Ultimately, the best way to gauge StashAway's potential is to carefully consider your individual circumstances and financial objectives. Happy investing! Disclaimer: this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Please consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.